You've seen Barbie, you've heard of Funko Pops, but this isn't your average doll. Meet Labubu, a tiny, strange creature with hollow eyes and an eerie smile. It looks like something from a dream, or maybe a nightmare. But believe it or not, this bizarre figure is part of a toy empire that's quietly taken over the world. From secretive collectors to frenzy fueled unboxings, there's a hidden world behind this plastic smile. And once you see what's really going on, you'll never look at toys the same again. It all began in China. Pop Mart, once modest company, launched a strange looking line of vinyl figures. No superheroes, no Disney characters, just odd original creations like Labubu, Molly, and Skull Panda. Unlike flashy Western toys, these figures felt artistic, even unsettling. But slowly, they started appearing everywhere, from boutique stores in Seoul and Singapore to high-end malls in London and New York. The dolls became more than toys, they were status symbols, collector's items, obsessions. What made these weird little figures explode in popularity? It wasn't just their looks, it was how they were sold. And that's where the story gets even stranger. Pop Mart didn't just sell dolls, they sold mystery. Each figure comes sealed in a blind box. You never know which character is inside. It could be one of 12, or the rare, legendary, hidden one. Suddenly, buying a toy became a gamblia game of chance. Customers started buying box after box, hoping to complete their collection. The rarer the doll, the higher the value. Some even trade online like crypto. Others rip open boxes live on social media, building hype and envy. This wasn't about play, it was about desire, about chasing that perfect pull. But there's something deeper going on here, something psychological, because Pop Mart has tapped into a part of our brain that keeps us coming back even when we don't want to. This is the genius of Pop Mart. Their marketing isn't loud, it's silent but powerful. The blind box model triggers the same reward centers as gambling. Every purchase is a shot of dopamine. Just like slot machines, they keep you guessing, hoping, craving. And with only a 1 in 144 chance to score the rarest figurine, most collectors never get what they want on the first try. But that only makes them buy more. Social media feeds the fire, unboxings go viral, fans trade boxes in secret forums, and collectors flaunt shelves full of figures like trophies. The fear of missing out, FOMO, isn't a side effect, it's the strategy. But this phenomenon goes beyond just dollars and dopamine, because what started as a toy is now becoming something far more powerful. Behind Pop Mart's cute and creepy dolls lies a quiet ambition, global influence. These figures are more than collectibles. They're becoming symbols of modern Chinese creativity. While the West dominates with Marvel and Barbie, China has found its own weapon. Original IP that blends art, design, and mystery. The dolls have already broken into over 30 countries. Airports, museums, and flagship stores around the world carry Pop Mart displays, and their revenue in the billions. Some analysts believe this isn't just business, it's culture export, a soft, subtle form of diplomacy that doesn't need politics or propaganda, just plastic, painted, and packaged perfectly. Could Pop Mart be China's first true pop culture icon? If so, what does that mean for the future of entertainment? Labubu isn't just a doll, it's a signal. a sign that we're entering a new age where toys aren't for kids, where collecting isn't about fun but identity, influence, and status. Pop Mart has cracked a code that even the biggest brands missed. They've blended mystery with art, scarcity with emotion, and built an empire on curiosity. Whether you see them as genius marketing or psychological manipulation, one thing's certain, they've changed the game. So, next time you walk past a small, glowing figure with an eerie grin in a store window, stop and look closer. That's not just a toy. That's the future of global culture staring back at you one blind box at a time. Still think it's just a plastic toy? Hit that like button if this surprised you and let us know in the comments, would you risk your money for the mystery inside a blind box? Don't forget to subscribe because the next obsession may already be in your hands.